Hello everyone, we are Team Fisherman. I'm Teck, and today I'll be taking you through the web app we spent the last 2 months building. Firstly, what was the motivation behind this web app? Well, with the exponential growth of internet usage and online transactions, phishing attacks have become one of the most prevalent and damaging forms of cybercrime. Every day, countless individuals and organizations fall victim to fraudulent websites that are designed to steal sensitive information such as passwords, banking details, and personal identities. And despite the availability of antivirus software and email filters, users continue to lack a real-time, community-driven tool that can help them assess the legitimacy of websites they encounter while browsing. Phishing attacks today are changing and evolving rapidly, making it difficult for individuals to know exactly whether what they received is a phishing scam or not. Additionally, no current system allows the public to contribute to phishing detection dynamically, nor an easy way to warn others about suspicious sites they discover. This gap leads to slower detection of emerging threats and more victims. Now, moving on to the user story. Linda is a 58-year-old retiree who frequently uses social media to keep herself updated with what her friends are up to. She recently encountered a Facebook article claiming to be giving away EasyLink cards that covered all transportation fees for an entire year, and all she had to do was visit the link provided in the post. However, she thought that this offer sounded a little too good to be true, and that was when she recalled her daughter mentioning a website called Fisherman that is able to scan for online threats during dinner earlier. So, what is Fisherman? Well, Fisherman is a comprehensive web app that leverages machine learning and AI to protect users from phishing attacks. Our platform differs from traditional URL scanners as it also utilizes contextual analysis and educational tools to create a holistic defense against cyber threats. We boast these six fully implemented and functional features. For our tech stack, we used plenty of programming languages and libraries. So here are some of the more popular ones. Firstly, we use React to build our website's interface for a smooth and pleasant user experience. Python is used for our backend due to its flexibility, and Flask is used to connect our machine learning model and other backend logic. And finally, scikit-learn is used to train and run our model using real-world phishing data. And lastly, we also follow these software engineering principles in order to make our lives easier. Firstly, each feature was created as an independent, reusable component for ease of testing and implementation. Additionally, we also hosted our services using online hosts in order to ensure that we are able to handle heavy user traffic. Furthermore, we also sent out surveys gathering real-world feedback to ensure that we are addressing real user problems and not just technical ones. And lastly, we also chose to use popular frameworks and adopt clean coding practices in order to ensure the long-term maintainability of the project. And now I'll be moving on to a live demo of our product. So, so this is the landing page of our website, and users have the option of creating an account and logging in. So upon logging in, they'll be redirected back to the analysis page where they can paste in any suspicious content that they may have encountered. And all they have to do is click the analyze button and wait for our servers to respond on the back end. And so we've segmented this into two portions. Firstly will be the machine learning analysis. So this spits out a confidence percentage as pertaining to the link that was given in the prompt. And then the LLM is responsible for explaining this confidence percentage that was spat out. And so in the event that a high-risk phishing threat has been detected, what users are allowed to do is that they are given the option to share it with the community forum, or they can simply choose to ignore it. And sharing this with the forum brings it up to this page where Users will be able to see a collection of different phishing messages that have been flagged out by different users of the community. The forum also supports filtering by scam types and sorting by either recency or popularity, allowing users to easily find relevant and timely information. So here are the different types of scams, and this is sorting by recency and popularity. They can also search for particular reports that they are interested in. So, for example, like FedEx related scams. And lastly, another feature we've included will be the reality mode, which is supposed to be an interactive learning feature where users are presented with 5 real-world phishing scenarios. And for each one, they must choose the best possible response, just like they would in real life. So this is designed to simulate decision making under pressure and help users sharpen their phishing detection skills through practice. And upon completion, they'll be redirected back to the home page.